Hey everybody, this is Dan Baldwin, and what we're going to show you here today is Channel Partner TV, or CPTV.news for short. We're going to show you what we're doing with it and how the vendors can make sure that their information, their story is getting out to the audience. All right, so here I have two views, right? Over here on the left, you see, this is the view of Channel Partner TV when you're looking at it on your smartphone. And the website is optimized to be viewed with a smartphone in the portrait mode. All right. This over here is the what it looks like when you're looking at it on your laptop or your PC. All right. And so it's got basically three parts. I mean, here's your header. It's not an app, it's just a website. It appears like an app. Maybe one day we'll get an app where you download it, but all you really have to do to get this look is go to channelpartner.tv or cptv.news. All right, and it pops up just like this. You've got your header. It's our new tagline, multi-location business technology management. And then it's got a banner ad. The vendor members are entitled to a banner ad. The size is 1500 pixels by 150 pixels. So if you're an existing vendor member, go ahead and send in that banner. We put it up a couple just so you can see what it looks like. It does shrink down proportionally for the phone. All right, so that's the top. And then the main part is the live streaming channels. Now, anybody can stream. The vendors can stream anytime. We can have 55 streams going at the same time. So you don't got to worry about time or anything. We're going to show you how you just log in, you start streaming. You can stream from your computer, and if you're streaming from your computer, you can do just your talking headshot, or you can stream out your desktop. Alrighty, and you can record everything as well, and you can record it whether you're streaming from your desktop or you're streaming from your phone. Now when you're streaming from your phone, you can't go to the desktop of your phone, but you can use the front and back cameras, and we're going to show you how to do that in a little bit. So when there is a live stream, and we'll give you a demo here in a sec, what it does is it shows you right here, there's a little video icon and then the name of the stream. You can type in any stream name that you want, you know, AirSpring 101 or How to Choose a Master Agent 101. Okay, and then what they'll do is, as we'll show you, the audience will see it, they'll click it, and boom, it's like turning on, it doesn't go back to the beginning, it just boom, it's there wherever you are in that live stream. That's where they will catch you. So the way you promote it is in advance. You just let your audience know when you're going to be doing this live stream, or you just establish that, hey, every day at 4 p.m. We're going to be doing this live stream. So just like live sports, they'll go and they'll turn on the TV and then they'll just start watching and hearing. Alrighty, so that's the live streaming channel, and that's the biggest thing about this website. Anybody can stream with their smartphone. You have a video camera in your pocket pointed at yourself, and you can create content. Now when you are creating the content you're streaming, you can click a button that says record the content, and then it will save as a MP4 file on AWS. We use AWS to hold it, and then you can go ahead and email us, tell us what time you did the live video, and then we'll get you the link. We'll email you the link. Hopefully on one of our future updates, it'll just automatically email you the link, and you can share the link or download the video yourself. Another upgrade that we're hoping for pretty soon, maybe as early as this week, is you can go ahead and people can register to get an email or text whenever you go live. Okay, so it's not that big a deal. Whenever you go live, your audience, you can send them a text or email, and then boom, everyone knows to go watch your channel. Right, the next section is member-to-member news, and what this is it's just simply a captures the Twitter feed. Okay, so what you want to do is I've put in sample Twitter feeds for some of our current vendors, and if you want to update the Twitter feed, you want to give it to, create a Twitter feed just for channelpartner.tv, you can certainly do that, and then give us your Twitter handle and we'll put it in there, and then whenever you tweet it shows up here. And then finally we have our on-demand section, okay, and these are existing videos. We're calling them how-to training channels. We can change up the name, whatever it is. The top will probably be the newest TV show episode, so anytime anybody does a video that's worth watching, you go ahead and email us the MP4 and a little bit of the information. If you've already got it on YouTube, just send us the link and we'll take the information off of there. You pop that open and we'll show you a couple examples. Here is AppSmart, welcomes Microcore, and what you see is we have an image that is just a thumbnail of what the video looks like, and then you click watch the video, and then you can even we separated the audio, so if you're driving and you just want to listen to the MP3, you can go ahead and do that. Right, and I'll click this and you can download it as well. I'll click it and you can see it pops up and it just starts playing. So it's a pretty nice little deal, and you can turn your phone. Yeah, you can turn it horizontal, and it'll look good there.
6 to 9 months, we'll start to migrate into more of the AppSmart solutions. But today, just like tomorrow and the next day, it's business as usual. They're going to work with their partner, their same Microcorp team, just as they always do, getting their quote.
Okay, so I figured out how to put the pause button. I'm brand new to this software as well. All right, so we'll close that, close it. There we go. All right, so the most recent shows up at the top. Okay, so AppSmart, and then there's something from Teleris where they're interviewing Dialpad, Vonage, their Master Agent Roundtable, and Bullseye. Okay, so you can see how it all shows up on your phone. All right, and then you can go ahead and close this, and then you see these are other like different folders, and depending on what sort of videos we receive, we'll change up the folders. These are the ones that we're planning to begin with. Our target audience really is prospective agents, existing new agents, and then even end user IT departments who want to have an in-house ICT desk, information and communications technology. Myself personally, I'm a contractor for a mid-size business, and I work 8 hours a day with the IT department as a contractor, as their information and communications technology manager. I don't do all the level 2 IT stuff. I do kind of like the level 1 where act as a project manager, make sure all the carriers are integrated. This is a 33 location company, and so there's an awful lot of applications and carriers and circuits and you name it to integrate. And so we just kind of administrate all of the managed services and the carrier services. So it's all ready to go whenever the IT, the level 2 guys come in and start, making sure it all is working together for their proprietary business critical apps. So those, and we'll be teaching people how to actually do this job. That'll be a big part of the new nonprofit association, is we're actually teaching new agents how to become agents, better agents, people who want to become agents, we're showing them how to do that, and then IT departments that maybe they want to contract with an existing agent to handle all of that ICTM. We'll be training people like that how to do that. I'll be using my own experience to show them, how you can do this as an existing partner, and or maybe the company even wants to hire a partner, have them become an actual employee, and take all of those partner management skills and bring them in-house. So that is the audience. So I showed you how it looks on the phone here, all right, and then it also looks the same here, all right. So you've on the desktop, you've simply got, it's got the same pretty much look. You've got the live streaming channels over here. You've got the member-to-member news right here in the middle, okay. And then we've got all of the folders over here with the on-demand content. And we'll keep this sorted as the videos come in. The best stuff will always be at the top, the newest stuff always at the top, and then, interesting stuff. So if you think of a basically a TV show that you want to have where you're going to crank out consistent videos to teach people how to do something, again, becoming a partner, if you're a brand new partner wanting to expand, or if you're an IT department wanting to bring this capability in-house as by contracting a partner or even hiring a partner, how would you do this? And those are the TV channels, the programs that we're looking for, and we'll be creating ourselves, the nonprofit, and be looking for the best video out there. So now I promised you an example, and that's what we're going to do. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to leave the desktop here. That's going to be just nobody's logged in. This is just the audience. Okay, anybody who can find this website, they don't need to log in to watch anything. So what we're going to do is we're going to pretend that I'm the vendor and I want to generate some content. So what I will do is I will go to the website on my phone, and then I will go ahead and type in, this is kind of like a secret backdoor. We can put the login on the page because we're still a little bit in beta. But what you do is you type in channelpartner.tv/pound login. You do the same at the desktop and then enter. Okay, and then you have to kind of refresh to get the pop-up. All right, once you get the pop-up, you go ahead and put in your account. Now we'll email all the existing vendors a user ID and password. So you just go ahead and put in whatever we provide you. Oops, hold on. All right, so you put in what we provide you, and then you click it. Now here is where you add a Twitter name when you're logging in. Now all the existing vendors, we've already put in whatever we think your Twitter handle is. If you want to put in a different Twitter handle specifically for the cp.tv space, go ahead and you put it in here, or you tell us and we'll put it in for you, and we can delete the other handle for you. All right, so I'm going to skip that. Right, and here is where it takes you to start a live video streaming. Okay, now we said before, you want to enter your stream name. I'll just call this Dan's Desk. All right, and then what you're going to do is Dan's Desk, and then we're going to start live video streaming. Sometimes you got to do it twice. I don't know why. Dan's Desk. I'm back. Oh, I figured out the problem. What it is for some reason the software doesn't like apostrophes. I kept picking Dan's Desk. It's got an apostrophe. Doesn't like apostrophes. So I'm just going to pick RV at the beach. I did this a couple weeks ago. That was kind of fun. And I'm not at the beach, but I'll show you. So boom. Now I'm actually live streaming. Okay. And the great thing about this, again, like we said with the camera, is you can switch. So right now I'm using the main one, and then I hit the switch camera button, and boom, it changes the angle. so you can go back and forth. That is the benefit of doing this with the smartphone. All right, but if you're doing an interview with someone at a trade show, that works out really well. And one thing you have to plan out is your audio. Okay, right now I'm making this through my headset. When you do it on a phone like this, if you're in a noisy environment, you might want to get an external microphone that plugs in, maybe with a little, with a cord that goes to a microphone, you go back and forth. In my experience, the new smartphones, they've got pretty good microphones. So if it's not, totally crazy, you can do pretty good video from your smartphone. Right. So I'm broadcasting live right now, and then this is what the Joe Schmo see. Okay, they'll see this little pop up. Now you see it kind of bled over, so you want to keep your names a little bit shorter. But they don't have to log in. They just go there at the right time, and then they click on it, and boom,
And boom,
they
they
see
see
the
the
stream.
stream.
Okay,
Okay,
so it's
so it's
magic.
magic.
All right, I'm
All
going
right,
to
I'm
turn
going
it
to turn
off
it
so
off.
we
It's
don't have
then
double
that double
audio.
audio.
Okay, and so that's how difficult or easy it is for you to stream. You have a studio in your pocket. All right, so a average video now is better than a high quality video later. So what we strongly encourage you to do is whenever you're walking around and you see some interesting content, go ahead and get out, stream it. Don't forget when you're streaming, you can hit the start recording button. Okay, and then I highly recommend that you record everything, because then everything that you do, it just automatically records, and then when you stop, it saves to the AWS servers that we have, and you just send us an email. Hey Dan, we made this video. Is at 6 p.m. on Wednesday. Can you go ahead and find that and email us the link, and we'll email you the MP4 link on AWS, and then you can download it, stream it, or whatever it is that you want to do. All right, so now I'll go ahead and stop streaming, and you can see that it turns off. All right, no live stream. All right, and then if it's an interesting video, then we'll go ahead and put it over here. And so this is channelpartner.tv or cptv.news. We've got some big plans for it, and really what we're doing is we are going out and gathering up new agents, people who want to become agents, and IT departments that are trying to have this expertise in-house by either contracting with an existing partner or hiring someone that knows how to do this. So it's all about solving problems. All right, we're not really doing talking head videos about, oh, tell us, how'd you get into business, whatever. We're talking about solving specific problems specific to multi-location businesses. All right, so hope you like what this is going to do for you. We're pretty excited about it. So if you have questions, just go ahead and email us and we will help you out, or maybe we'll make a video that shows you how to solve that problem. All right, thanks a lot.